Hello friends! This is me for these moments once again. So ako ay napadaan lamang upang mag-iwan sa inyo ng isang katanungan. So what is your favorite quote or saying that inspires you to keep going in life? So ano yung paborito nyong quote or kasabihan na pinanghahawakan nyo upang magpatuloy lang sa buhay? Can you comment it down below at babasahin natin yan sa ating susunod na kabanata kalakip ng inyong mga YT channel. So maraming thank you sa lahat. Ako na muna yung mauna. So my favorite saying is from the Bible in the book of Jeremiah 29:11, and the Bible said, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So, I'm holding on sa ipinangako ng ating Panginoon dahil siya lang naman talaga yung nakakaalam, yung mas higit na nakakaalam kung ano man ang bukas. Kaya hindi ko gaanong ini-stress yung sarili ko when it comes to sa mga bagay-bagay. I leave it everything to God's hand. Hindi ako nagsiset ng mga goal na talagang kailangan kong ma-achieve ng ganitong panahon. Kailangan by this, na-achieve ko na tong ganito. So wala akong ganon. Because I do believe na we can make many decisions in life, but God's will always prevail. So let's leave everything in God's hand and we'll see God's hand on everything. So it's your turn. Parinig naman kung ano yung quote or saying na nagpapa-inspire sa'yo sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay. So God bless you. Thank you.